a celebration of love, commitment, friendship, family, and two people who are committing to spend the rest of their lives together. Jeremy Cook and Christy Lynn Rosen wish to join their hearts and their souls together in marriage.
Christy, I stand in front of you knowing I'm the most blessed man in the world. You've brought into my life a reality far greater and richer than all my meager dreams I had prior to meeting you. You have enriched my life so significantly, it's hard to put into words.
That I now pronounce you as husband and wife.
Jeremy,
you may kiss the bride.